In today's video, you will learn how to collect payment. Let's start off by selecting the menu icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen. After that, we are going to select Invoices. Next, we are going to select Sam Elliott, ACME Property Management. You can see here that his invoice is awaiting payment. Once we select that invoice, it'll bring us to the Invoice Details page. Here, we see the total of $679.38. To the right of the Awaiting Payment button, there is a drop-down arrow. Tap on the arrow to reveal the drop-down menu. Here we see the status of the invoice as awaiting payment. The invoice has been sent to the customer. Now, we are going to select the Collect Payment button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can see we have the option to scan and enter card details or to send a payment link. We are going to choose to enter the card details. Now we have the ability to enter the payment information. Enter all relevant information, then select Pay. Now the payment is processing. You have successfully collected the payment. Thanks for watching.